All right, so BTC trying to put in a right shoulder here. The rest of the market still figuring out what it wants to do with its life. So, how was your day? Welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading. I'm Randy. We're talking about ICP today, Kaspa and Pepe. Yeah, so BTC in a right shoulder area at the moment. We could go down a little bit lower. Our left shoulder's all the way down here to the 59,887, and then so we could fight down to there. But we're starting to put in some bottoming candles. Looks like momentum to the downside is slowing down. So in theory, we should start to move up sometime in the future. Today being Thursday, tomorrow being Friday. It'd be nice if it moved today. That would give it some ability to move a little bit tomorrow before the weekend. So we'll see how that dynamic plays out. But overall, things aren't looking too bad. If we start to undercut and then keep going, obviously that's a problem. So picking bottoms is always tricky. And you had a good candle yesterday here at the end of the day, and then another candle here a little bit ago. So there is definitely uh, definitely a little bit of volatility with trying to pick lows. And you see a small undercut, not much. It's only about 0.4%, but I definitely think it's something that can be dangerous for some people trading in this environment. So may want to wait for the reversal on this trend line. Okay, that could be a potential entry signal as well. Volume confirming is always good to have, so I would also look for volume confirmation. That's really about it. There's really not much. You're just kind of waiting to see if this is going to hit a bottom and reverse. That's really what's going on here with BTC. So ideally more volume. This was a pretty good volume candle. You can see it kind of, is some of the higher volume candles of the past week. And this one a little bit less so, but that just means there's a little bit less selling pressure in my opinion, because this was also an undercut and rally candle. It undercut, this candle came right back up. So not bad. All right, next up, we're following our ICP trade, which so far is still working out pretty good. Lower volume on the way down. I wish it'd get a little bit more aggressive, but so far it's just kind of floundering. But we're underneath where we've been the whole part of the trade, so not too bad. If BTC does bounce, that could put this trade in jeopardy. And like I mentioned yesterday, probably move stops to break even. Now, as things go on, you probably could even move your stop into profit territory at about the 1407 1408 level, maybe even less than that. Maybe about the $14 level. You could move your stop down to here, and hopefully that if that gets taken out, at least you don't get hurt. That's really, you don't get your target here, but at least it doesn't get hurt. But other than that, it's still kind of working its way lower. Now, let's be clear. BTC market is looking like it could reverse, but most of the altcoins look like garbage. And so if those roll over instead of BTC rising, then that's going to make this trade work really well. So we do have a split market right now. This is definitely difficult to contend with for most people. All right, next up is Kaspa. So these are our top movers in the top 50 today. We're going bullish today. And Kaspa was up quite a bit today, but has already reversed. And you can see we're still underneath this trend line. So Kaspa not really doing that good for trades. So again, a choppy market environment where even leading tokens can't necessarily get you any good trades. So please be careful out there. And then Pepe. Pepe actually looking halfway decent, was able to move above this trend line. We talked about this one actually about a week ago. Remember this little declining channel here. So boom, little declining channel popped up above that. Now we're holding the support of where we broke out right here. We held it here yesterday at the low. So not a bad signature here for Pepe. If things do get bullish, then Pepe's on your radar there. So that's it. Those are really the most volatile coins in the market. Our trade we got going on and BTC, guys. So thanks for joining me for the best 5 minutes of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.